When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades deliver more value than energy-efficient windows. They reduce utility bills, improve indoor comfort, and help your home handle Texas's unpredictable weather. But to get the full benefits of these high-performance windows, one factor matters as much as the product itself: expert installation by local professionals. For homeowners across Dallas, working with a window company that understands the region's unique climate, architecture, and building codes ensures that your investment truly pays off. Here's why local expertise makes all the difference in installing energy-efficient windows that perform perfectly year after year. Understanding the Dallas climate. Dallas weather can be extreme: blistering hot summers, occasional winter freezes, high humidity, and unpredictable storms. Installing energy-efficient windows isn't just about choosing the right glass, it's about selecting materials and techniques that hold up under these specific conditions. Local window professionals understand how to match window designs to the North Texas climate zone, ensuring they provide optimal insulation and UV protection. They know that features like low E coatings, argon gas fills, and thermally efficient frames are crucial to minimizing heat transfer during the long, sunny Dallas summers. By working with local experts, you get windows specifically tailored to your home's needs, not a one-size-fits-all solution that might work better in another state or climate. Proper installation for maximum energy savings. Even the most advanced energy-efficient window won't perform as intended if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, poor sealing, and misaligned frames can lead to air leaks, condensation, and energy loss, negating the very benefits you invested in. Local installers bring years of hands-on experience with Dallas homes, from modern suburban builds to older houses with unique framing and materials. They know how to handle challenges like uneven walls, settling foundations, and existing insulation differences. Their precision installation ensures every window forms a tight, weatherproof seal, eliminating drafts and maximizing energy savings. The result? Lower energy bills, consistent indoor temperatures, and improved comfort all year long. Knowledge of local building codes and regulations. Dallas has specific building codes, permit requirements, and energy standards that vary by neighborhood and property type. Working with local professionals ensures your project complies with all regulations, saving you from costly fines or delays. Local experts stay updated on evolving city and state guidelines, including energy efficiency requirements under the Texas Energy Code. They'll help you select windows that meet or exceed Energy Star standards for the Dallas region, guaranteeing compliance and long-term performance. By trusting a Dallas-based team, you gain confidence that every step of your installation, from measurement to final inspection, is handled correctly and legally. Personalized recommendations and local product knowledge. No two Dallas homes are exactly alike, and neither are their energy needs. Local window professionals provide personalized consultations to determine what products best fit your home's structure, orientation, and exposure to sunlight. They can recommend window types and materials that perform best in Texas heat, such as vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist warping and maintain thermal efficiency. They also understand which glass coatings and tints are most effective for blocking UV rays while maintaining natural light. Their local experience means they know which manufacturers deliver the best long-term results for Dallas homes, ensuring you get products that look great and perform well in the region's conditions. Ongoing support and warranty service. One of the biggest advantages of choosing a local Dallas installer is reliability after installation. Should you ever need adjustments, repairs, or warranty service, your local company is nearby and readily available. National or out-of-town contractors may be hard to reach once the job is done, but a trusted local professional values community relationships and stands behind their work. They're invested in their reputation and your satisfaction, providing ongoing support long after your new windows are installed. Boosting comfort, efficiency, and home value. With Dallas's mix of hot sun and sudden temperature changes, professional installation by local experts ensures your energy-efficient windows perform at their best. You'll notice fewer drafts, quieter rooms, and reduced cooling costs, all while adding beauty and value to your home. Plus, energy-efficient windows installed by trusted Dallas professionals make your home more appealing to future buyers who understand the benefits of high-performance windows designed for the Texas climate. A smarter choice for Dallas homeowners. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a wise investment, but choosing the right installer is just as important as the windows themselves. Local Dallas professionals bring the climate knowledge, technical skill, and community commitment that ensure your home stays comfortable, efficient, and protected for years to come. When you're ready to improve your home's performance and reduce energy costs, trust a Dallas window installation expert who knows exactly what your home needs to thrive in North Texas weather.